With advances in technology, greater emphasis today is being placed on fire safety in all of our means of transportation, at sports and entertainment venues, in all aspects of our daily lives. Experts agree that 70% or more of all deaths in a fire are due to smoke inhalation by toxic smoke of carbon monoxide, cyanide, and many other toxic gases and dust. Medical experts all agree that within the first 2 or 3 minutes of breathing toxic smoke or dust, that you may suffer from shock or even cardiac arrest. Fighting fires with fire extinguishers can be deadly if you are not prepared with the proper breathing devices. We have the products to supply up to 90 minutes of filtered or supplied air, so you may escape or await emergency rescue. For over 20 years, we have been specializing in fire control and rescue equipment, chemical and biological and gas rescue equipment, fire retardant material, coal mine rescue equipment, and watercraft rescue equipment with over 30 SKUs of safety products. Our China facility of over 300,000 square feet manufactures a comprehensive range of safety equipment and material for your protection. We are ISO 9000 and 9001 certified. Our professional engineering team, coupled with our modern facilities, provide the latest fire, smoke, and toxic gas protection technologies to world governments, military, fire, first responders, rescue authorities, and individuals. It is our responsibility to provide the highest level of quality life-saving equipment to everyone worldwide. Our professional R&D team, coupled with our modern in-house testing laboratory, gives us the edge by providing multiple levels of quality control and testing throughout the manufacturing process. Our fire escape smoke hoods have been tested to 800 C, that is 1400 degrees Fahrenheit, of direct flame and radiant heat, to assure your protection while escaping from fire or toxic smoke. Our products are tested to comply with or exceed all international standards, including the CE EN 403. Ranked number 1 in China alone, we now have a worldwide network of distribution. Our products are used by the CNSA, the Chinese National Space Authority. All manned space flights now have our products on board each spacecraft to be used in cases of emergency. We have received a written endorsement from the CNSA and the Astronaut Center of China, NASA, Shell Oil, BP Exploration, Federal Express, Shangri-La Hotels, the NBA, the United Nations, and the United States Air Force, and thousands of others now use our products. Our ASE 30 and ASE 60 provides 30 or 60 minutes of filtered air.
This training tower behind me is where the Monarch Fire Department practices different fire scenarios. Fires cause smoke and poisonous gases like cyanide, which quickly numb the senses. People who are trapped in a fire quickly become disoriented and confused, and that can hamper their escape.
One of the first things that's going to happen is panic. They're going to become very scared, and that's going to overwhelm a lot of times any reasoning ability.
And that's where a fire escape hood could be a lifesaver. But do they work? Jeff Locker, the Monarch Fire Department, helped us test the fire escape hood inside this training tower.
My initial reaction was it fits surprisingly well. I was surprised for something that is non-fire service oriented to fit as well as it does. It fits quite similar to the mask that we use.
Locker entered this room in the training tower, which quickly filled with smoke. After 5 minutes, I checked in with him. How you doing so far?
Doing good. Yeah, these things work real well.
10 more minutes passed, which means Blocker has been inside this smoky room for 15 minutes. He gave the mask 2 thumbs up. Jeff, you spent 15 minutes in a smoky room with that mask on. Give us your final critique.
I thought it held up real well. Didn't seem to have any problems with it. You had a real good smoky environment in there. Didn't notice any problems with any real bad leaking. Seemed to hold up real well.
The smoke Jeff Blocker breathed for 15 minutes was non-toxic, similar to the smoke used in movies or on the stage.
He still would have been able to smell if there was any leaks in the mask, or if the filter wasn't working. That smell should have been coming through, and he would have known if it was leaking.
So that was a fair test?
I think so.
The smoke detector warns us, but what's going to actually save us in a situation where there's a fire and there's smoke.
Remove the device from its packaging. There is a red string attached to the plastic vacuum sealed bag to assist in quick access to the actual safety hood. Locate the 2 rubber filter plugs attached with a red string. and pull firmly, removing both plugs. This will activate the filter. Pull the safety hood over your head and adjust the elastic neckband, making sure no contaminants or smoke will enter the breathing area. Eyeglass wearers need not take them off. Position the half mask directly over the nose and mouth and secure it to your head by adjusting the strap. Breathe calmly and follow the designated escape route to the nearest emergency exit. If this is not possible, wait for rescue authorities. Our Purify Air will provide 30 or 60 minutes of filtered breathing capacity against carbon monoxide, chlorine, and cyanide gas, acrolein, and many other toxic gases, smoke, and dust. Our Purify Air has received the European EN 403 2004 certification. Locate the smoke hood and tear open the vacuum sealed bag. Unfold the smoke hood. Locate the red string and pull out the 2 red rubber filter plugs located on the front and back of the filter canister. This will activate the filter. Make sure the straps are straight. Use both hands to spread the black rubber neckband of the smoke hood. Starting under the chin, pull the smoke hood over your head. Pull down on the back of the smoke hood for a tight fit. Breathe calmly. Be sure to tuck all of your hair under the smoke hood, making sure no contaminants or smoke will enter the breathing area. Eyeglass wearers need not take them off. Position the filter canister over your mouth and nose. Tighten the strap by pulling back to secure it to your head. Breathe calmly and follow the designated escape route to the nearest emergency exit. If this is not possible, wait for rescue authorities. Our Purify Air has been tested to over 1600 degrees Celsius of direct flame with the Escape Safe fire suit and is the preferred choice of their fire escape kit. Tested recently at North Carolina State University, it had no penetration as shown in the test results. Get in and get out with Escape Safe. Our ASE 30BR is our chemical biological smoke and fire gas escape hood. It is made of the same construction as our Purify Air CE certified hood and provides 30 or 60 minutes of one filter handles carbon monoxide and all other toxic contaminants such as ammonia, sulfur dioxide, phosgene gas, lucite gas, mustard gas, and other contaminants. Used by first responders, firefighters, military and law enforcement agencies worldwide. Our XLM Z30 and XLM Z30D are our CBRN gas masks. They are used for nuclear or chemical spills, toxic or poisonous gas leaks. They're used by first responders, firefighters, military and law enforcement agencies worldwide. One filter handles it all: carbon monoxide and all other toxic contaminants, such as ammonia, sulfur dioxide, phosgene gas, lucite gas, mustard gas, and other toxins. It comes with one 30-minute interchangeable filter. The D model comes with a water bottle capability and designed for easy voice communication. Take out the full face mask. Loosen the strap and place the strap over your head. Remove the chemical biological smoke and gas filter canister from its vacuum sealed packaging. Remove the rubber filter caps from both sides of the filter. Screw the filter counterclockwise onto the mask. Place the mask over your head so that your nose and mouth are covered completely. Adjust the side straps so that the mask fits securely. Our AFSY 30 EEBD self-rescue safety hood can produce supplied air for up to 60 minutes. It is designed to protect against toxic smoke, chemical spills, or poisonous gas leaks. Used by first responders and firefighters, all materials have been tested to 800 degrees Celsius against direct flame, radiant heat, or hot falling ash while attempting rescue or escape. There is no supplied air tank to check. Certified by the IMO, the International Maritime Organization, for use on all merchant vessels and cruise ships or pleasure ships worldwide. Open the storage container and remove the vacuum sealed bag. Tear open the bag and remove the safety hood. Remove the red cap located inside the mouthpiece. Pull on the ring located in front of the airbag. This will activate the chemical process and begin to produce breathable oxygen for up to 60 minutes. Place the hood over your head, making sure the mouthpiece covers the nose and mouth. Adjust the side strap to secure hood and mouthpiece. Our SCBA provides either 60 or 90 minutes of supplied air. Uniquely designed to shift the weight of the unit from the shoulders to the hips, thus reducing back strain and increasing stability. It allows the wearer to work more effectively for longer periods of time with less fatigue. Provides a safe, reliable, and stable air supply with low breathing resistance. Is simple to operate and maintain. Our air bottles are made of spun fiberglass to minimize heat transfer and to ensure safety to the wearer. One unit universally adaptable for rescue personnel in the petrochemical, metallurgy, shipping, mining, laboratories, warehouse, fire control, military, or first responders when faced with poisonous smoke, gas, dust, and hypoxia. Open the protective storage case and remove the SCBA. Verify that the harness suspension system, waistband, and mask are free from entanglement. The air supply valve is linked to the mask. Place your hands through the shoulder straps, making sure the straps fit securely and comfortably on your shoulders. Locate the chest straps of the harness and securely fasten. Then locate and secure the lower waist straps. Open the oxygen tank valve to maximum airflow slowly. Check the pressure inside the tank is at the correct operating pressure. Place the mask and head cap over your head. Adjust the upper cap and mask straps to fit securely. Take a deep breath to open the air supply valve and breathe normally. If you hear an alarm, immediately leave the area. You have about 8 to 10 minutes of air left in the bottle. Wherever you are today, potential danger from smoke and fire exists. The materials used today in our homes creates lethal amounts of smoke and dust. Are you safe at home? When traveling, at work, or being entertained? We have the solutions that are essential for a safe and secure future for you. We look forward to working together with you, saving lives.